Welcome back to the channel. I've been really looking forward to today's video because we're finally getting a close look at the Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus. There's been a lot of talk about this tablet being the best budget option this year, and I wanted to see for myself if it actually delivers on that promise. I'm MrGadget, and today we're going to unbox it, set it up, and I'll show 5 pro tips or settings that you need to change immediately to get that flagship feel. Let's dive in. The box is classic Samsung, minimalist and slim. Aside from the tablet, we get the SIM tool, usual paperwork that nobody reads, and USB-C charging cable. No charging brick in this box, guys, so I hope you have an Anker or a Samsung fast charger ready to go. Let's take a look at this design. The back metal has this smooth, matte finish that feels great in the hand and surprisingly doesn't leave any fingerprints. On the sides, we have a quad speaker setup, which I'm excited to test. The thickness is 0.27 inches. We have an 11-inch display with 80% screen to body ratio. It's thin, it's sleek, and it feels much more expensive than it actually is. Coming in at just over a pound, roughly 17 ounces. This tablet feels surprisingly solid in the hand. It's not too heavy, but it definitely has that premium, well-built weight to it. Now, let's get this thing started with the first boot and a walk through the setup process. Setting up a new Android device is a breeze, and it's pretty much the same across all recent models. First, go ahead and pick your language and region. Some tablets might require a quick restart after this step. Next, agree to the privacy policy. Personally, I usually leave the diagnostic data as optional. Now, you can actually continue the setup on your phone, which is way more convenient since it copies all your settings and accounts automatically. If not, just sign into your Wi-Fi network. This is also the part where you can transfer data from your old tablet if you have one ready. I highly recommend signing into your Google account now, so you can jump straight into the Play Store later. When it comes to security, which is a top priority, make sure to set up a strong PIN or password. Protect your privacy from day one. In the next menu, you can keep everything enabled, but I'd suggest skipping the optional diagnostic data Again, if you don't have another backup plan, definitely enable Google Backup for your photos and device data. You'll also be asked to choose your preferred search engine. And if you're a fan of Google Assistant, you can activate the voice commands right here. Since this is a Samsung, the Samsung account is mandatory. You can easily sign in using your Google account or email. After a quick phone verification, I'd recommend keeping all Samsung services enabled to get the full experience. Now, pick your favorite theme, light or dark, and hit next to update all the pre-installed apps. In this final step, you might see some app suggestions based on your profile. And that's it! Welcome to your new home screen. The first thing I always do is jump into the settings to check the software version and make sure the tablet is fully up to date. Let's take a look. Now that we're all set up and ready to go, let's make this tablet even better. Here are 5 essential settings you should change right away to get the absolute best performance out of your new Galaxy Tab. First, let's fix the display. Go to Settings, then Display, and look for Motion Smoothness. Make sure it's set to Adaptive. This tablet has a 90Hz screen, and this setting makes everything feel much smoother. It's a total game changer for scrolling. Now ditch the old buttons. Go to the navigation bar settings and switch to swipe gestures. It gives you more screen space and makes the A11 Plus feel like a high-end pro device. It's more intuitive and looks way cleaner. Third, we need to fix the audio. By default, Samsung hides the best sound features. Swipe down your notification panel, find the Dolby Atmos toggle, and turn it on. The quad speakers will sound louder and much more immersive in movies and games. You can also tune sound for your headphones based on your age. Fourth, let's talk about longevity. If you want this tablet to last for years, go to Battery Settings and enable Protect Battery. It limits the maximum charge to 90%. This prevents the battery from wearing out too fast. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Finally, the pro trick to make it feel twice as fast. Enable developer options and set all animation scales to 0.5 times. This makes every window and app open instantly. And that wraps up our deep dive into the Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus. From the unboxing and the initial setup to these 5 pro tweaks, I hope this guide helps you get the most out of your new device. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.